Discover how to earn $50 a day online using the power of AI videos and Amazon affiliate links. Start by selecting a niche that interests you and has the potential for profit. Next, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program to start earning commissions on sales. Create engaging AI-generated videos that review or showcase products in your selected niche. Use free or paid tools to generate high-quality videos that capture attention. Optimize your videos with catchy titles and relevant keywords to attract viewers. Share your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience and drive traffic. Include your Amazon affiliate links in the video description to guide viewers on where to buy. Promote your videos in relevant online communities to increase visibility and engagement. Analyze your video performance regularly to understand what works and make necessary adjustments. With consistent effort, watch your earnings grow as your videos gain views and drive sales. Remember to provide value to your audience. Building trust helps increase your affiliate income. Stay updated with trends in your niche to create timely and relevant content. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to foster a loyal community. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of earning $50 a day online.